দলনি বিল না এখন দলনি মাছ বহুত আছে এটা চাগে এইপিনে এখানে চাহ বাগানত কোনপিনে যাওয়া রাস্তা বা Hi friends, I am showing you here to Sankarkhula na. This is Sankarkhula, one of the best beautiful place of Bongaigaon district. If you get time, come here sometime with your family friends. It's really so beautiful. See the places, see the hill, everywhere greenery. It's paddy field. You can see the Betelnut farm is there. It's Betelnut farm, and you can see that hill, and this is paddy field. You can see here some wild animal also. Sometimes it used to come. This is rubber bagan, friends. You can see the rubber bagan. This is rubber bagan. These are the rubber. I will show you more. Oh, really so nice place. Sankarkhula Ranch of Bongaigaon. And this is Doloni Bill. You can see this Doloni Lake. Bongaigaon district, there are so many lakes is here. Amanga, Konora, and this is Doloni Bill, Doloni Lake. See, friends, this is Sankarkhula Hill. Friends, to make a video we have to spend lot of time, even we have to come so far away from our city also. So I made this video to show you the new places. If you are not aware of this place, these beautiful places, so you can come through my video also to this place. This is just 25 km away from Bongaigaon city. You can come through Jogikhopa also. You can come through Kotosbari and then Bishnupur towards that also. This Sankarkhula area, it is a Sankarkhula Ranch. So friends, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe it so I can show you more videos.